First time pong itry itong matcha pistachio latte dito sa Japantown. 750 yung large. Kinuha ko 50% yung sweetness kasi you can't go lower than that. They only have 100% or 50% sweetness. Sabi ko, do you have lower than 50? Wala daw. So sabi ko, sige, I'll try the... ayoko kasi na masyado matamis. Masarap. Pistachio matcha latte. Yeah, sarap siya. Ang lamig, grabe, sobrang lamig dito sa Japan. Ay, diba? Look, I bought a gift for myself. I can't help it. When I saw it, it's perfect. Perfect length, perfect design. I like the design. It's very unisex and it goes with my rings. I can't help it. I was looking at it for a while and I was gonna walk away, but I just couldn't resist. I have to have it. It's gorgeous. I love it. It goes with my rings, this one right here, and then my stud diamond earring right there. I'm happy I bought it. Oh, by the way, I'm here in Japantown. And it's super crowded today. Takoyaki. So crowded in here today.
Oh my god, literally. Oh, I know she wants that. Mango croissant.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Iba-ibang candy para siyang mga Holland or Jolens marble. Ang cute ng mga kulay nila. How much? Tapos ayun, oh. Tokyo Premium Nori Chips Wasabi. Ito naman. Ayan. Mutako, mentako. Hindi ko mabasa, malabo mata ko. Sorry. Mga mochi. Yan, iba-ibang mochi. Oh. Harajuku mochi chocolate. Strawberry flavor. And this one is chocolate, double chocolate I guess, and matcha. Ooh, that's my favorite, matcha. Daming iba-ibang flavor ng matcha, oh. And mga mochi. Nipon niya. Strawberry white chocolate right there. Ooh. Addicting tong mga to pagka sinimulan mo, ayan, oh. Ito, oh, may sample. Sa counter mo kukunin.
Let's go that way.
Ang sarap ng ano, nung sample na chocolate mochi. Ito. Sarap niya, grabe. Very soft. Ay, sarap. Yun nyo, oh. Ang cute ng mga Kipi Angel. Iba-ibang design. Pero ang presyo naman iba-iba din. Ito, oh, 45 bucks, no, 46 bucks, 50 bucks, 36 bucks, 28 bucks. Kamamahal pala niyan, ang liliit. Ayan pa, oh, meron pa dito, oh. Ang cute. Ang cute ng store. Tapos, ayan pa, oh, dito meron sila naka-display. Inaya pa nila yung 4 faces in the mountain. Ayun, oh. Sa kanila 5. Sa loob to ng Daiso, nag-mute ako kasi ang lakas ng background na music. Anyway, grabe kapag nandito ako sa Daiso, kailangan super pigil talaga dahil napakadaming masasarap bilhin, lalo na yung mga snacks. At ito nakita ko, ang cute, yung pang ano sa, yung nightcap sa ulo. Pwede rin panlabas. Ang cute niya, so fluffy. Pagkatapos, ano lang siya, I think mga $4, $4 something kasi yung nakalagay na price sa Japanese is between 300 to 325. So, may conversion naman sila, eh. Ayan yung conversion nila sa taas. Ayan, oh. So, 300 to 330, I don't know, yen ba yan? Tapos, yung conversion naman nila, ayan sa taas. Unit conversions. So, nasa $4.25 siya. It's not bad. Kasi yung may design naman yung beanie. Yung mga beanie nga nabili ko sa H&M, yung mamahal. Mga what, like, almost $10, $15, walang design, simple lang. Ito may design, ang cute, oh. Diba? How cool is that? Parang ang sarap isuot kapag lalabas ka, papunta ka ng, to buy some coffee, then naglakad-lakad ka sa park. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Nice. I love it. After that, super libot ako, super tingin ako ng mga goodies nila. Talagang nagtimpi ako ng matindi. Napakadaming temptation pag nasa Japantown ako, lalo sa Daiso. Lalo na yung mga ramen nila, iba't ibang flavor, yung mga udon noodles, din yung mga sweets nila. Oh my God, so delicious. Tsaka magastos, kaya dapat super timpi. Anyway, pagkatapos ko sa Japantown, dumaan ako sa may mga cable car, nag-picture-picture. Tapos, napunta na ako ng Trader Joe to buy some essentials bago umuwi. Then, sumakay na ng Muni Underground Subway. Napakabilis ng takbo. Grabe. Nakakahilo. Good morning, everyone. Happy weekend, and may everyone have a safe and wonderful weekends. God bless to all of us. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog, so watch out for that. Take care now and have a good weekend, everyone, and God bless to us all.